Hello, this is Biologia. Today I am talking about an AI tool which build up your research reading in another level. Research Rabbit is a free online AI tool. So just Google the Research Rabbit and click the first website. So this is a UI of the Research Rabbit. This tool helps to maps literature based citation. First of all, just create an account which is free account, and next add the papers by adding the title or DOI. Here I add a paper. After add papers, you can visualize the network of the or connection between your reference paper and similar paper, which can build up your network of references. So this is your references which is connected your papers.